Welcome back. I hope you're all well and that you've had a good Christmas. I bought my son some weights for Christmas. I bought him a barbell and some individual weights. The problem was I bought Olympic standard weights, which have a 2-inch bore through them, and the barbell is a 1-inch diameter bar. So having a look around online, there's various options that you can buy, conversion kits. Some are a bit more cost effective than others. All in, it was probably going to cost around between 40 quid and 80, maybe 100 quid just for these adapters. So I remembered that I had some aluminium billets in the garage and I decided to machine some up. So here, just a few shots of the parts that I made. They're like a top hat design, so they reduce the bore size, but also provide a flange face that can be clamped against to stop the weights from rattling around. And so here's a couple of shots of them being assembled together, and finally with the nut on the end with a washer. And this stops the weights from rattling around, makes them a bit nicer to use. And that's it really. So I've got some footage now of me machining one of those parts up.